Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Stay up on the side now.
Yeah.
Billa.
Yeah.
Baja. Great. You know the king, Barry.
Yeah.
Thank God of the chef.
Yeah, man. Italian spice.
Italian spokes.
Whoa! Whoa!
Never had. Yes. Baja.
Yeah, man.
Have some donation for you, you know.
Yeah, give thanks.
So you know the people them like the work we are doing.
Sure.
So them realize that you don't really get much to bless up. You see me?
Sure.
Them don't know see you have this thing from your heart already. And you know watch them face them.
No.
You see me?
Part of our nature.
Yeah.
We just do it for the love, you know.
Yeah.
Live somebody's life and change somebody's life, you know.
And you keep on motivating them
Yeah,
with the words
yeah.
and when you talk. You see me? You say, so the man that talk boy, so yeah.
Yeah, man.
Intermediate be like that man, like my mind walk me right up, you know?
Yeah,
touch people hard. But guess what, you know?
Yeah.
If I secret admire as well, too, you know?
Yeah, I said.
That's what master.
I secret admire man, say yo, me I send something for my bill. She go by the name Miss P.
Miss P.
Yeah. $6,000 from Miss P. Your secret admirer.
Hey.
From the USA.
Miss P, enough love and respect. And honor. Straight. We love this. And it come from my heart. As I say, secret admire. I admire you too. I just love the word what you say.
Yeah. I also Clive and Monina
and
from Canada.
Yeah.
Clive and Monina from Canada. They were the other day one time them kind of.
Okay.
Yeah. So Clive and Monina from Canada, $5,000.
Yeah.
With the builder.
Clive and Monina, enough love and respect and thanks.
Yeah.
I'm glad for your appreciation, you know?
Yeah.
That's a can see the work and do something towards work with the encouragement and respect it, you know? Because we know we're not tired, hard out there for this, and we don't can find the time to see if we send something come give us. We appreciate it, enough love, man. And honor, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. And you also, Clive and Monina from Canada. And you also Susie from Demontown in the US.
Yeah.
Yeah, Susie from Demontown, isn't it? 2005.
Yeah, man. Susie, enough love and appreciation. And we can't tell you much thanks, you know. Continue to do what I do, we continue the journey for the same thing. Because I appreciate you guys, so I show love. And we give back the strength and love to enough love and guidance and protection.
Yeah.
Sure. That's true.
And I want $1,500 from Paragon from the USA.
Yeah.
$1,500 from Paragon.
Enough love, Paragon, and respect. Can't tell them much thanks. Blessings, man. Well appreciated, man.
See them. So you don't know we have big them up all the time.
Yeah, man. Enough love, man. We can't stop. Big up and loving for what I do. Out there now, we answer the call. I see the great man, yeah. I'm so movie, you know. So we are going to finish up tomorrow. We'll tie off and them thing there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm going to live in.
Yeah.
But another thing we want to say still, we're not pushing the thing too much. You understand? Is that the first phase of where we are doing right now is because I'm living condition. But there is another like a part of it where a necessity.
Yeah.
You understand? Convenience and the facility of the bathroom.
And in time.
You know, say, the part of it there.
We're going to need a little strength.
Right?
Yeah.
So we're going to need a little strength on that and thing for help. We have a little much still we can put towards it. But we still going to need a little strength and thing. That's a proper bathroom. Because we say, defecate and all of these things. It don't sound good to me.
It don't sound good.
It don't sound right, you understand?
Yeah.
So we want to straighten out the part of it too, so we just need a little more
Yeah.
step
Yeah.
towards the fulfillment.
Yeah.
You know? So enough love and appreciation as
Yeah.
we can't tell them much thanks, man. Big up, man.
Yeah, man. Because them definitely I follow up on the journey and them
Yeah,
definitely need the strength.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Nah, left field.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
You see me? Because be a liar soldier there in the back.
Yeah, man.
And the chef himself.
Yeah, man.
Whoa! Yeah. Because you know the people that mad when you man in the kitchen, you know. As I make sure say your dream team have them food. Because them work hard and things. And so me I say, everybody not there today. So you don't know we are continuing the journey. See me. So we have some 1,500 from Paragon.
Yeah, man.
From the USA. To the chef, Delgado.
Yeah, man. Straight Paragon, you know.
Yeah, man.
Respect and honor, yeah. Don't know Paragon. Holy for love and holy for respect, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself and all the people out there, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, you see? Paragon is nothing,
From the
man.
US.
Straight from US. But New York.
Well, no.
Alright.
New York. Alright.
New York.
Another one, yeah. Another one as well from the Smart family from Connecticut in America. $5,000 from the Smart family in Connecticut.
My smart family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
$5 January, even though we are right now. Stack up the thing more, you know.
Definitely.
You see what I said?
Straight Italian
You
spice.
see? Respect all the rest of America.
Yeah.
And the team behind it, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Straight.
Yeah.
I eat food team, I eat food too, you know.
Straight.
That's it.
Yeah.
Big up yourself and the team, you know.
And this are from Rowan one from the United Kingdom. And this one bless you up this towards your material, forgot towards your shop.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So I don't know, so the people that look for serious thing, I got deal with too as well tonight, you see me? So it's a $10,000 from Rowan from the United Kingdom.
You for that, man.
County. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, get the thing up there.
County.
Okay, you know.
Lock them.
Yeah, man, Rowan.
Yeah.
From the United Kingdom, you know.
England.
That's one you know that Ron Palmer.
Yeah.
That's it.
We fly too.
Yeah, man, so nothing.
Some will get rid of him.
Yeah, man. Rowan, it's nothing because see you right now, only for board and sink everything I go, you know.
Yeah.
Time.
Yeah, man. Done Spring's journey, we start the journey there, you know.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Pass the pass.
Yeah.
Prince of pass the
That's
ball.
about the great, you know.
Yeah.
You see, I just apply and pour before and some sink, you know.
Yeah. So the builder will take the measurement.
Yeah, man, build that, yeah, man.
I will know what I go on. You see me? I don't know say thing go on liquor.
Yeah, man.
People them admire you. You see me for the work and the care we have out there for the people them.
We're in the kitchen.
You see me? Yeah man, so the people them admire you for the work we do. You see me? Yeah, so this is from Smart Family as well too, from Connecticut. And you will say $5,000 on the Smart Family.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good lad.
On the Smart Family.
Small family.
Smart.
Smart.
Yeah.
Smart. They are
Smart family. May God bless you and keep you know. And open a basket never empty.
More love.
And more love on top of love for everybody same way. We're there by the dream team. That's what I say. One team.
Dream team.
Dream team.
Yeah. And this is $1,000 from Paragon from the USA.
Paragon.
Yeah.
Many bless. You know what $1,000 you gonna do? Go Malta and only for journey this. Step by step. Spend 2 bills out of this.
Start from one for each to one.
Spend many more. Many bless.
Alright then. All team. You don't know what the whole team, the team.
Dream team.
And everybody there.
Dream team. Rub to the people level. Dream team.
One team.
Big up every song.
You say I boss. My boss feel one.
Yeah.
So you see that in my share, dream
See
team.
me?
So what do we?
1,000.
Give thanks in a bit.
Give thanks in a day.
Yeah. That's how we do it. One family.
I get it, you know. I get it.
That's how we share it.
I'm so far. Stop them when I yes, man.
Cheers.
Big up the sun, Boston cars, you know,
And big up the son and wife, you know.
Yeah.
One family that's big up, you know.
Cheers.
I hate, man, I pay everybody, you know.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Big up.
Right,
Big up the chef too, you know.
Yeah.
Pick up your eye now.
Dumpling them hot.
right, done, you know.
Dead right.
Alright then. Big
Big up
up.
everybody that support the thing. You see me I say?
Straight.
One team.
Pick up the chain on skin up.
See me I say?
And big up Kina also, you know.
Yeah,
Make
yeah.
You know, the
everything
man that make it
possible.
possible, you know?
Yeah.
You know, behind the camera. You see me I
From
say?
zero to start.
From nothing to something, you know? Yeah. Now we tell them say,
Mikey.
yeah, we have to tell them say, don't thief the laugh because a cartel give it. We know cartel ever see it and say, come jump on the board. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Cause one team will say,
One team.
Straight.
We catch a laugh.
Yeah, sweet, Mikey, I hate, man.
Big up.
I see him there, man. Felicia. Yeah, alright. Big up,
Yeah.
my sister.
Beer though, beer.
Yeah, man.
Chips. Oh, go on. Why you run out of here, man? You hear them sell off. You know, if you buy up some more here, when you buy up more juice and thing, buy up juice and water. Oh, yeah, sell, man. Yeah, see, you've got to stack up more, boom. The fridge can't turn down. It looks like everything in there freeze. Yeah, man, why you turn on the fridge a little bit?
I don't know if you turn it down.
And them thing there, and still have the little thing them and stack up on more and more. So you know what me that side of the shop?
I got back the part when you walk.
Oh, you see, you lock now? Yeah. Yeah, man, and you buy up more juice and thing. So you're alright and thing though.
Yeah, man, me just have all the faith in the Lord.
See you here. You know, you can never stop hold the faith and your prayers then.
Speak to me one morning, you know.
You go to church and things, see me.
Yeah, man.
You get a
I go
message?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, then so you're good otherwise though.
Yeah, man. Just have all the faith, man.
And business are run alright.
Yeah, man.
So you have to go buy up back your with them and thing. You know everything though. You have to keep stock up and don't make everything run out upon your year. So soon as yeah. Yeah.
And them say him just run off and hold him head. And him have pressure to, you know.
Yeah, so I have two donations for your trips. I have $4,000 from Eric from the USA. $4,000 from Eric from the USA.
Thanks, Eric. And my God, never left your food basket empty and see that God. Him is the key of everything. And when you go up and fasting and prayer meet, no. Yeah, man, prayer, man.
Come here. Come here, girl.
We give thanks. I also have a donation from the Smart Family. Smart Family from Connecticut, USA. $5,000 from the Smart Family. The Smart Family.
Smart family, thanks. Oh my God bless you. Now leave a food basket empty and see that God. Seek Him. The earth belongs to Him. Yeah, Him say it's not our own, but we belongs to Him. We belongs to Him. God Almighty. Don't give up. Don't give up. don't give up on that God there. Yeah, Him is real. Him coming at everywhere. Him is real. Don't give up on Him. Yeah, see that Jehovah Rapha, King of the universe.
Definitely. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, see me here. If anything else come through, you know, man, come and look for you.
Yeah.
Once anything come up. So now I'm just on a mission and circle the place and went on to donation. Let me say, man, I like how you keep up the business. So just continue to stack up. Just continue to stack up and stack up. And next time I come back, I want to see the wig them up and running because you see you still have the ear them. So you should have stack up already now. So next time I come, I see everything stack up though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and just go and pray for me, see me, yeah? Health and strength, because I always need it. Yeah.
I'm start laugh. I'm not telling me what.
Yeah, I want to question him.
You can't question him.
Can't question him.
How question him?
Can't question him.
Sooner or later, you're in liquor, you're going to get that surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, thanks.
So big up yourself, yeah?
I'll change the prayer for him.
Yeah.
Man. I'm going to get a new foot in him.
Yeah.
Unless me not know.
Alright then, cheers. Big up yourself. God bless, yeah?
Yeah.
Keep the prayers them up for me.
Yeah.
Alright then, give thanks.
Take a picture too. Them don't tease the laughter. Yeah, man, good life program, you see?
Good life.
One good life.
Big up yourself on the program.
I big up myself for their program.
Big up yourself.
Naturally. I see what into the back.
Trenchtown. Trenchtown, where I go to Barn and the roots of Trenchtown. General.
One team, dream team. Dream team. One team. Finger upon one. One finger upon one.
That picture you have to retake again to win everybody there.
One finger, yeah. One team. One team, dream team.
Yeah, man.
I watch a big TV, you know. Oh, it is PS4, Xbox.
Alright, so let's try to get him a little. It'll go up on the wall still.
Oh, you got just mount it.
Yeah, up on the wall there, so.
Something now you want to touch on.
Yeah. Yeah, man, the place look good, man.
Yeah, man. Look at bathroom there and everything. Bathroom there, so.
Teamwork, you know?
Teamwork, with the dream. Sure.
Yeah, man, let's take a picture with it. Yeah, man.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah, man, let's take a picture, man.
Yeah, man, with the drink.
Oh, yeah.
The
Prince, yeah.
Prince, come.
One of the This is a female who's built on 2nd Street.
Oh, you look good, man.
Yeah,
I like the progress.
Yeah, man, Prince, oh. Great. Yeah, man, dream team, man, you know?
Dream team.
Yeah, man, team, you know?
One team. I mean, I want to
One more.
Yeah, man, I'm going to fast, guy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
one team.
Ho!
Whoa.
Dream.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, dream team, you know?
Whoa. One more again. Then I have one more. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
And then you will tell that to know.
Whoa.
How's the fuck, shake up, man?
Yeah, a cup.
Happy toast to this, you know.
Eh? So get your shirt. I'm pretty more. I'm not pretty more yet. Oh yeah, to bad me up. The video you bad me up, you know. Yeah, I know the thing about the dream team. Yeah, the thing about.
Terry, come in at this one.
I'm only for truth, okay?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.